Hey guys, this is Mahek E2 and you're watching my channel Mahek's Creation. Today I'm going to show you a really beautiful fresh golden look using only 2 eyeshadows. Golden eyeshadow suits on every outfit, so I decided to film this video for this Diwali. I hope you guys like it, and if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and press notification bell. I have already moisturized my face well. So now I'm directly using Master Primer by Maybelline to prime my face. Primer is really must for smooth and long lasting base, so make sure that you prime your face before applying any foundation. I'm using Super Stiff Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. It really gives you full coverage, so I'm using a little bit of it because I want my skin to look natural. And I'm using Kabuki brush to blend it properly. After foundation, I'm applying Wet n Wild concealer to hide my dark circles and brighten up my under eyes. I'm applying it on forehead and nose and a little bit on my chin and around my mouth to hide darkness and highlight those areas. I'm blending it with the same brush. Applying the same concealer on my eyelids for creating a base for my eyeshadows. Quickly, I'm setting my face with Maybelline White Compact Powder with Real Technique powder brush. Eyes, I'm using white eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution HD Pro palette, applying it all over my lid to brighten it up so that my eyeshadow color will look so clear and so fresh. Now I'm using a warm light brown eyeshadow from the same palette to my crease line. And I'm using Pro Art blending brush to apply these eyeshadows. To deepen up my crease line, I'm using Maybelline Nude palette and taking cool dark brown shade from it and applying with the same brush into my crease line. After this, I did not notice that my camera has stopped because of full storage, and I noticed it when I'm applying lipstick and all my middle part has vanished. But then after removing my all makeup, I realized that why should I waste my all work, so I refilmed my eyes makeup again. Now I'm applying the golden shimmery eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette on my eyelids using my fingertips. I love this golden eyeshadow. It gives me so fresh look and easy to create, so I used it many times on parties, weddings and festivals, and I just love it. Now I am blending it with the same brush into my crease. Now coming to the lower lash line, I am applying the same light brown eyeshadow with Real Technique blending brush and blending it properly. And applying a little bit of golden shimmery eyeshadow with my fingertips. And quickly I'm shaping my brows and filling it. Now it's the time for a small and quick wing eyeliner. And I'm using Lakme liquid eyeliner. And applying a coat of mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And I'm using Maybelline mascara. And I would like to apply a little bit mascara on my eyebrows to set it on place. It really works for me. And I'm applying a dark pink liquid lipstick and also mixing it with my new liquid lipstick. It really works for me and I really like to mix my lipstick to create my own shade. And I'm done. If you like, you can use blushes at the end and fix it with some makeup fixer. And it's done. So here is my beautiful, simple, shimmery makeup tutorial for this Diwali. I hope you guys enjoyed it and please subscribe to my channel for more makeup and mehndi videos and challenges. Till then, bye.